unspeakably awful the entire day.
That was more tiring than anything newspapers.
Do you know what? I'm not even in the mood to have this conversation right now.
So Simon's in a foul mood, but backstage spirits remain strong, as one little girl is hoping to put a smile on his face.
It's 6-year-old Connie. Who's this lovely lady?
Can we sit down? Yeah? Good. What's your name?
Connie.
Connie.
How old are you, Connie?
6.
6 years old. Yeah? And what are you going to do today?
I'm gonna sing.
What, do you want to be famous? Do you want to be a famous singer? Yeah, don't mind. Don't mind, just want to sing.
You know what you've got to remember when you go on stage? What you've got to remember is to smile.
Smile.
Big smile. Shows your best smile. That's exactly what you've got to do.
So, with Mum waiting anxiously in the wings, it's time for Connie's big moment.
Hello. What's your name?
Connie.
Connie. How old are you, Connie?
6.
And what do you do, Connie? You're a singer? Yeah. And how long have you been singing?
Since I was 2.
Now, you know that the winner of this competition gets to play in front of the Queen, don't you?
Yeah.
What do you think of that? Think the Queen would like your singing?
I don't know.
First honest answer we've had today.
Okay, off you go then, Connie.
Somewhere over the rainbow, way up high, there's a land that I've heard of once in a lullaby. Somewhere over the rainbow, skies are blue, and the dreams that you dare to, dreams really do come true.
I thought you were absolutely brilliant. I thought you sung that beautifully. Okay, and Amanda was crying, so she obviously liked it.
I'm a complete mess.
Which means there's only one person who you need to really impress, and that's the nasty Simon. What do you think? Do you think he liked you or not?
Connie, I'm going to talk to you like an adult, okay? Because I think it's important. I thought you were fantastic. I only have one question. Was that really you singing? Right, okay, now we have something important to do. Piers, yes or no?
Here we go.
Yes.
Amanda.
Yes.
Connie, you're through to the next round. She was pitch perfect.
How good were you? How good were you?
Congratulations, Connie. How do you feel? You feel good?
Yeah.
Very good.
Are you happy coming, Mum?
Oh, God, it's fantastic.
We were more nervous watching you from the side than you were on there.
I'm shaking, look at that.
Did you enjoy it?
Yeah.
And you like what the judges said?
Yeah.
And you're going to come back again and sing for us?
Yeah.
Well, we can't wait.
Bless her.
It was incredible. I'm actually impressed. I really seriously am. I'm impressed.
So we could have a potential winner?
Oh my God, yeah.
Could have found a potential winner.
100%.
Yeah.
Definitely.
100%.